everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your currency on Nunchuk Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your currency on Nunchuk Wallet, firstly go ahead and launch open your Nunchuk Wallet application. The home page of Nunchuk Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the page. You will end up on your profile section of Nunchuk Wallet's account. Click on local currency option. Select your currency that you like to change to and tap on it. Once you're done, click on save. This is how you can change your currency on Nunchuk Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.